The production process of coconut milk and coconut cream in a modern factory begins with the intake of raw materials. Mature coconuts, usually 11 to 13 months old, are carefully selected. This is the ideal stage when the coconut meat is thick, firm, and rich in oil, perfect for milk and cream extraction. Upon arrival at the factory, coconuts undergo an initial inspection to remove damaged, moldy, or immature ones. Next, the coconuts are fed into automated systems to remove their outer husk. The thick, fibrous layer is separated using high-speed rotating dehuskers. The remaining hard shell is then cut open to access the inner white coconut meat, which holds the essential nutrients, fats, and distinct aroma of the coconut. Once extracted, the coconut meat is washed thoroughly to remove dirt, fiber residues, and impurities. The cleaned meat is then ground using high-speed shredders or rotary blade machines, breaking it down into fine particles to prepare it for milk extraction. The ground coconut is transferred to pressing machines, either screw press or centrifuge types for milk extraction. Hot water is often added during pressing to enhance the separation process. The result is a white, milky liquid rich in dispersed fat globules. This is raw coconut milk. The leftover coconut pulp may undergo a second round of pressing to extract more diluted milk, or be repurposed for byproducts, such as dried coconut, fertilizer, or animal feed. Meanwhile, the extracted milk passes through a multi-stage filtration system to remove any solid residues or impurities, ensuring a clean and consistent texture. After filtration, the milk is sent for homogenization, a process that adjusts its fat concentration. If coconut cream is the target, the high-fat layer is retained. For lighter coconut milk, additional water is added to meet specific fat content standards. The homogenized coconut milk is then sterilized to eliminate harmful microorganisms. This is a critical step for food safety and shelf life. Typically, ultra-high temperature UHT processing is used, heating the milk to about 135 degrees Celsius for a few seconds, then rapidly cooling it down. This preserves the milk's natural flavor and appearance while ensuring microbial stability. After sterilization, the product moves to automated packaging lines. Depending on market requirements, coconut milk or cream may be packed into cans, aseptic cartons, vacuum-sealed pouches, or high-grade plastic bottles. All packaging occurs in a sterile environment under strict monitoring and quality control systems. Finished products are labeled, coated with expiry dates and traceability info, then moved to cold storage, awaiting shipment to local or international markets. Thanks to modern processing, these products can be stored for 6 to 12 months without needing harmful preservatives. The entire operation is controlled by automated systems, from conveyor management to temperature and pressure monitoring, while workers mainly supervise, maintain equipment, and ensure occupational safety. This boosts efficiency, reduces labor costs, and maintains consistent product quality. In addition to coconut milk and cream, many factories also maximize raw material usage by producing coconut water, virgin coconut oil, coconut milk powder, desiccated coconut, and even coconut-based ice cream. This helps increase the economic value of each coconut and minimizes waste, making the process more sustainable. Thanks to advanced processing technologies, coconut milk and cream have become not just staples in traditional cooking, but also high-value exports for tropical countries. With growing demand from Europe, the US, and Japan, especially in the vegan and plant-based food sector, the coconut processing industry holds immense potential for growth. And so, from a humble coconut, through dozens of precise and hygienic steps, we create pure, flavorful coconut milk and cream, ready to serve delicious meals and healthy lifestyles for consumers around the world.